We're at Zheng's Barbecue Skewers on Monday night, looking a bit quiet. So just us two and, of course, everyone else.
Beef, 2 lamb. How many beef?
Yeah, we'll have one of those.
1 beef?
Yeah. Inez is still ordering, and this is the barbecue mechanism. The hot coals will be put in once we place the order. This looks like a soy sauce mix. There we go. 1 Asahi beer. 1 rice, 2 rice, and 1 beer. And here are our skewers. Can you do the honours, please? Cheese beers. Beautiful.
The beef skewers. Wagyu beef.
Okay, that's beef on the left and pork belly on the right, ready to consume. These are the last skewers for the night, and we've just been delivered a dish of custard rolls, something we haven't had before. Okay. Here he goes. All done. How was dinner tonight?
Great. Yummy. Wow, very powerful.